Yes guys, this is the new motherboard for the Dell 3138. Of course I will be installing this now, so please stay tuned for that. Right, so this is it. Already disconnect all the connection cable. Right, so this is the whole motherboard completely removed. So I'm gonna change the wireless card, gonna take it off to put it on the new board. Here is it, gonna install it on the new board. Alright, so the wireless card is now on. Now this of course is a processor, and of course on the old one this would be the heat sink to keep it. Then of course, as you can see, we have the thermal compound there. Now I need to clean this old one, and of course to clean I'm gonna need my tissue. And this is the remover, and this is the purifier. So I need to remove the old one here. As you can see, applying some remover. I'm using something hard to scratch the surface here, not hard I should say. Piece of plastic to get off it. So as you can see, wipe it off clean. As you can see, crystal clean and nice now. Next thing now is to just apply some of the purifier to it. Get the surface real purify, clean, back to new factory condition. Right, so this piece of guy is what keep it cool. Nice and cool. So now I need to apply some thermal paste. Here's my thermal paste now. See, so I need to apply it. I'm gonna apply it to the processor itself. So applying it on the processor now. You wanna have it evenly spread over it. Now there are several ways of doing this. You can just simply put some in the middle, and once you put the heat sink over it, it would of course spread out evenly, and that's what some person do. Right, so seem to be evenly distributed. Now what I'll be doing, I will be now installing this little guy. That it is of course the heat sink. So as I said, no fan attached to it, just this metallic plate. That's it. Now these screws, they are numbered. So this should be number 1 here. So turn it about halfway. Then number 2 about halfway. Then of course number 3 about halfway. Then I go up to 1, fully screw it. Alright, just double checking now 1. Right, so that's how you install the heatsink, of course, on this Dell Inspiron 3000. Yes, so finish apply the thermal. Now I'm gonna fit in the motherboard and get the necessary connections on. A lot of connection here. So the wireless connection now. memory. Let's sort this while you're connect properly. Alright, so I'm gonna secure the motherboard now. Now I'm not going to screw in everything now because I need to ensure that it is up and running. So the hard drive now. See what's going on here. So connect the hard drive. So just double checking that all the connections or all the cables are reconnect. So this is your keyboard, this is your touchpad, hard drive connection there. This of course would be your screen. This is your power jack. Of course, and the USB section, and of course the Ethernet section connection underneath the hard drive there. Wireless connection. This is your speaker right here, and this of course should be a lid or a light on the keyboard or section there. So I need to turn it over now. So as you can see, it is lighting up. Dell sign there. Right, so it is up and running. So yes guys, this video tutorial again show you how to of course replace the motherboard for this Dell Inspiron. It is the 3000 series. So as you can see, it is up and running. So I just simple need to fit it up, and then of course this person is up and running again. So once again guys, please remember to click on the subscription button if you're new to my channel. So thanks for viewing. If I may take this out of here.